Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how we can select multiple elements of our template and group them together in WayMore's Visual Templates tool. First, let's see the three ways that we can use to multi-select elements in our template. The first way is by clicking and dragging on the canvas and selecting the elements that we want. The second way is by holding the Shift button on our keyboard and clicking on the elements that we want to include in our selection. Finally, the third way is by holding the Shift button on our keyboard and clicking on the layers of the elements that we want to include in our selection. Of course, if we click on an already selected element while holding the Shift button in our keyboard, then that element will be excluded from our selection. And if we click and drag on our selection, we can move all the selected elements. Now, in order to group all our selected elements together, we just simply click on the Group button here. As we can see, the selected element layers have been added inside this master group layer. If we select this master group layer, we can resize all the elements inside it at the same time and also move them around all together. Also, we can move the master group layer to change the order of the layers, but also we can change the elements layer order inside that master groups layer itself. Of course, we can ungroup the grouped elements by selecting the master group layer and clicking on the Ungroup button. Thanks for watching.